What is up, everyone? Welcome again to Best Ever Toy TV, and today is a special day. One of my most sought after mainlines finally arrived, and we are gonna do an unboxing of this car. And here it is, the 2016 Bugatti Chiron. This is the latest, of course, the latest release from Hot Wheels this year, part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series. This is the 7th car out of 10 in the series and 236 out of 250 cars. So yeah, here's the Chiron. Look at the art card here, pretty cool. So let us now open this car. So I was supposed to do a video of this tomorrow, but what the heck, it arrived today, and I'm excited to open this one, to take out this car out of the blister. And here it is, the Bugatti Chiron. Really cool car. Of course, cars from the Hot Wheels Exotics have the what you call this, the factory fresh look. I mean, a plain look, plain paint job. Not a lot of, if I remember correctly, they don't have deco tampos or sponsors at the side. And same goes with the Chiron here. Really cool car in blue. Check out the side. So it has details here from this arc here all the way to the top, from the all the way from the top to the bottom. This silver outline here really looks cool. So check out the front. It has the Bugatti logo right there. Yeah, it's too small to read, but you can see it. So the big air vent here, really big. So it also has the details here, the silver details on the outline, on the molding. The headlights though have no details. And here's the rims of this car. Looks good. The stock rims really looks good on the car. Low profile tires. The front rim is slightly smaller than the black back wheels. So again, on the side here, love the details on this arc here. So I think in real life this is also an air vent. So at the back, no details at all. I wish they put details here on the tail light, but yeah, zero details on this car. The back. So what is this part right there? I'm not really familiar with Bugattis. If you do know, kindly comment down below what this part is right there. The two black things right there. I don't know what those are. Is that the exhaust? Because I can find, oh maybe, yeah, this is the exhaust here. At the base, no details whatsoever. No suspension details, exhaust details, yeah, none of that. Only the Hot Wheels logo, the Bugatti Chiron, and some words right there, but no details. Kind of suck though. They should have added more details right at the bottom, especially for this car, which is much hyped about. Yeah, so there you go. Hype car, one of the most hype cars for 2019, the 2016 Bugatti Chiron, the first release. They will be having a black one of this one soon, coming out, I think next year. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and review of the Hot Wheels Bugatti Chiron. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye bye, and enjoy the rest of the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV, and watch And please do if you have time, watch our other videos, links down below. Please click on them if you have time to waste. Bye bye guys, see you soon, peace out.